You need a bottle, a paper cutter and a marker pen. Cut the bottle as in the video. Mark small circles around the bottle. First, drill some small holes underneath the bottle for better water flow. You can use an electric bath for that. Then, you can take a bath or a paper cutter to cut the marked circles. In my case I continued with electric bath. This is how it looks once completed. Now, take the soil mixture which contains 1 sand part, 1 compost, 1 topsoil, and a bit of coir dust. Fill the soil up to the first set of holes and put the onions in it. Root side should be inside and keep the other side towards the outside of the hole. Keep continuing this until all the holes occupied with onions. Now onion planting part is completed. Put some onions in the top of the soil and add adequate water. Keep it as with limited sunlight for 2 to 3 days. Daily watering is very important, and it's enough watering once a day. When you harvesting, don't cut the onions, cut only the leaves as you can harvest onion leaves again. Thank you and please subscribe to my channel for more gardening videos.